Good afternoon. So you're joining me back under Miss Betty, where today I've been and picked up the gearbox, which has been totally rebuilt. Layer gear, input shaft was worn out, not from me, from a previous owner who'd in the past run the gearbox out of oil by the looks of things. So it's had a complete rebuild. It looks so shiny and fresh. Absolutely love it. So today we're going to be putting the clutch plate back on, ready for, I'm going to get some guys and some friends to come around and help lift the gearbox back on, because there's just no way I can lift it. It's about 35 kilos. It's a dead weight. I just can't do it. So I've got a trick, another trick. So what we're going to do, we're going to put the clutch plate back on and make sure that inside it's right where it says gearbox side. So we're going to pop it on. It's just a little bit fiddly. And then everyone's thinking, how are you going to level this up? How are you going to do it, Zoe? Well, I'm going to show you a trick. Another trick. I can get it semi-aligned. So I have a special tool. I have the old input shaft, which carefully should slot right in, enabling me to properly align the clutch plate, ready for the gearbox going back on. Now, isn't that a nifty little trick? Now, I shall be keeping this as in my tools, because everybody needs one, and that would make life so much easier. And then all you do is pop your screws in, bolts in, comfortable in the knowledge that that clutch plate is properly aligned. Should be anyway. I've got to be very careful. I can't quite see what I'm doing. Little screws just pop in. Exactly. Where it came out from. I've just got to tighten it up. What do you reckon for that then?